Welcome to our video on the top 7 must-have outdoor tools. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a hiking pro, or just someone who loves the great outdoors, these tools are designed to enhance your adventures. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. KOSPET Tank T2. This ultra smartwatch for men combines style, functionality, and durability. Featuring a stunning AMOLED display with always-on display mode, it keeps you updated without constantly pressing buttons. The Bluetooth call feature ensures seamless communication even on the go. It's not just a watch, it's your electronic outdoor assistant, providing vital features like fitness tracking, weather updates, and more. Whether hiking, camping, or hitting the gym, this smartwatch is built to perform. Number 6. Camping Gas Stove. Perfect for outdoor cooking, this portable camping gas stove is a must-have for your next adventure. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to pack and carry, while its powerful 2600-watt heat output ensures quick and efficient cooking. Number 5. Auger Wrench. This outdoor survival hand drill is the ultimate tool for bushcraft enthusiasts. Designed with a sharp, self-tapping spiral pilot, it's perfect for creating clean holes in wood for crafting projects like fish traps, ladders, or survival shelters. Made from hardened oxidized steel, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. Lightweight and compact, this tool easily fits into your backpack, making it an excellent companion for jungle adventures or camping trips. Number 4. Lixada Titanium Cup. If you're looking for lightweight and durable camping cookware, the Lixada Titanium Cup is an excellent choice. Made from titanium, it is incredibly light yet strong, ensuring that it won't add extra weight to your gear. The cup features a collapsible handle, lid, and round edges for efficient heating and easy cleaning. With no metallic aftertaste, it preserves the true flavors of your food and drinks. It also comes with a handy mesh storage sack, making it easy to carry on all your outdoor escapades. Number 3. ASTA Gear Tent. The ASTA Gear double-sided silicone-coated pyramid tent is a game-changer for camping enthusiasts. Made from 15D nylon, it's both lightweight and durable, making it perfect for hikers who want to travel light without compromising on shelter quality. This rodless tent is easy to set up, and its double-coated material provides excellent waterproofing and wind resistance. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness or setting up camp in your backyard, this tent offers reliable protection and comfort. Number 2. Retro Kerosene Lighter. This mini keychain kerosene lighter is a blend of style, functionality, and reliability. Made from high-quality metal, it's designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Its windproof construction ensures it works virtually anywhere, from windy campsites to rainy hikes. Compact and portable, it easily attaches to your gear or fits in your pocket. Ideal for camping, fishing, and survival situations, this lighter is a practical and stylish addition to your outdoor kit. Number 1. Outdoor EDC Multi-Tool. The ultimate multitasking tool, this 5-in-1 carabiner is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It features a carabiner for attaching keys and gear, a serrated knife for cutting ropes, a standard knife for various tasks, an LED light for nighttime use, and a tactical design for rugged durability. Whether you're camping, hiking, or climbing, this tool combines convenience and functionality in a compact design, ensuring you're prepared for anything nature throws your way. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.